Hi, my name is Kelly Blatnick. I'm licensed in Texas, Utah, Florida, Nevada, and Ohio, and I'm a public defender in Nye County. I'm going to discuss very briefly Miranda rights. Most of us have heard the warnings on TV or elsewhere. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed, and so on and so forth. Your Miranda rights are simply your Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination. And I've been surprised at hearing district attorneys and law enforcement officers argue over when Miranda applies. Now, why are they arguing over it? One, I think law enforcement and DA should get along better, but hey, that just helps me out when they're arguing. But more importantly, it's kind of a three-pronged test. One thing is the law enforcement officer or the peace officer has to be the one doing the questioning. So if it's spontaneous statements or your baby mama or your baby daddy or someone else on scene is asking the questions, then Miranda doesn't apply because those are spontaneous utterances. Some people are under the impression that you have to be arrested. No. You have to be detained. You cannot be free to leave. So peace officers have the right to detain people to do an investigation as to what's going on. And during that detention, if you are not free to leave, Miranda should apply. The next set is, are the questions an interrogation or just said to elicit a response? That's balderdash. My opinion, if you are not free to leave, then your Fifth Amendment rights apply. If you're having any questions from a peace officer who's armed, deadly, and trained to be so, then yes, it's an interrogation. Case law differs depending upon what judge you're before, what jurisdiction you're in, but generally speaking, if any peace officers are watching this, if someone is not free to go, just Mirandize them. Save me the motion to dismiss. Save me the motion to suppress. And if you're a person out there, just remember, if you're not free to leave, don't say anything. And ask that question, am I free to go? And if you're not free to go, then don't talk. Lawyer up. Best of luck out to you, and hope that you all do wonderful things today.